Hello everyone, myself Krishna. In this video, I am going to explain PDF activities like read PDF text activity, read PDF with OCR activities in UiPath Studio. So let's get started. Read PDF text activity. Read PDF text activity is used to extract the text from the PDF files. In case if the PDF files contains any images, from that images the read PDF text activity will not extract any information. For the read PDF text activity, in the file name section we need to select the input PDF file path. So let me open the input PDF file path that I have selected. So this is the invoice. So for this activity we have a property preserve formatting and is of boolean type. So this property will specify us whether you wanted to maintain a format while extracting the text from the PDF file. The format means maintaining the extra spaces, tab spaces and empty line spaces. By default, the preserve formatting is false, means it will remove extra spaces, tab spaces and empty line spaces and then it will give us the output. Then we have a range section. Here we need to mention which page information you wanted to extract. By default it is all. It will going to extract all the pages information. If you want we can change the range. So here in the range section if you want to mention the page number, we can mention the page number in the double quotations. Let's say I wanted to extract page number 2, 4 and 6. We can mention comma separated. We can mention the page range as well. Let's say I wanted to extract from first page to third page and fifth page to end page. So this way we can mention the range, right? So here in this scenario I wanted to extract all the pages information, so I am just mentioning all. The output of the read PDF text activity will give us the string output. So let me create a variable str PDF text. Right now I wanted to save this extracted PDF text in the notepad file. So let me take a write text file activity. So in the text section I am mentioning the str PDF text variable, and in the file name section I am going to mention the invoice1.txt. Now let's save the process and run, and let's see how we will get the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the inputs folder. So the invoice1 text file got created. So let's open the text file. So as we are not mentioned anything for the preserve formatting property, so the data extracted by removing all the extra spaces and tab spaces and line spaces, right? Now change this value to true and then save and run the process. Let's see how we will get the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's open the invoice1.txt file. Now the data extracted the same format how the data is available in the PDF file. We have a tab space is available and extra spaces are available and empty line spaces are available, right? Read PDF with OCR activity. Read PDF with OCR activity is used to extract the text from the image-based PDF files. For this activity, in the file name section, we need to select the input PDF file path. So for this activity, we have a property degree of parallelism. It should be -1 to get the speed response. Then we have a property image DPI. So basically, read PDF with OCR activity. First, it will convert the PDF into the image, and then that image will send to the OCR activity for extracting the information. So while converting the PDF into the image DPI will help how the image quality should be. If you select the image DPI as 96, the image quality is not that good, so we might not get the better result. So if you select the higher number, that is 270, the image quality is better, then we might get a good result. Then we need to select the range. So here I wanted to extract all the pages information. Then the output of the read PDF with OCR activity will give us the string output. So let me add the variable strpdf text. Then we need to mention the OCR engine. So let me search for OCR. Here we have a different OCR options are available, and each OCR will not give the same type of response. As per our requirement, we need to check each OCR, and then we need to identify which OCR is suitable for our requirement, and then we need to use that OCR. So first I am checking with Tesseract OCR. So let me take one write text file activity to save the extracted PDF text in the notepad file. So here I am going to mention strpdf text. So here in the file name, I am going to save the file in the inputs folder with OCR name txt, right? And before running the process, so let me open the input file that I have selected. So this is the input file that I have selected. So here I have mentioned the some text, and then I have added the invoice image. So now let's run the process and verify how we will get the output. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the inputs folder. So here we have a Tesseract OCR file got created. So this is how the Tesseract OCR extracted the information from the PDF file. Now I am checking with UiPath document OCR. So let me change the notepad file with UiPath document OCR. Now let's save and run the process. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the inputs folder. The UiPath document OCR text file got created. So let's open the file. So this is how the UiPath document OCR extracted the PDF information. Now check with Omnipage OCR and change the name of the text file. So let's save and run the process and see how the Omnipage OCR will extract the PDF information. Now the process execution has been completed. So let's go to the inputs folder. So the Omnipage OCR text file got created. So this is how Omnipage OCR extracted the PDF information. So while selecting the OCR engine, the first thing we should consider is which OCR is correctly extracting the images data from the PDF files. Then we should consider the extracted format, which OCR engine extracted format is easier for you to extract the PDF fields information, right?